Hey there, Stoic enthusiasts, where we explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and its practical applications in our daily lives. Today, we're diving into the realm of relationships to unveil the 9 things smart men should never do with women, all through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Before we dive into these insightful principles, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to harness the power of Stoicism in your relationships. Now, let's embark on this journey together. 1. Guard your past. Sharing every detail of your past, especially the challenging parts, is like showing every secret and challenge you've faced. Friedrich Nietzsche's insight that old ideas may come back to challenge us highlights the potential risks of revealing too much. Keep your past personal and protected. Share only what is necessary, guarding the main parts of your story that make you resilient. Your life story is yours alone and not for others to exploit or judge. 2. Face the fear of being alone. Aristotle's insight that knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom underscores the importance of facing this fear. Choices made out of fear, especially the fear of solitude, can lead you astray. Being alone does not equate to loneliness. Spend time appreciating your own company. When you do choose to be with someone, let it be because they add value to your life, not because you fear being without them. 3. Manage your time wisely. Seneca's observation that it's not that our lives are short, but that we waste too much of it, rings true. Don't throw your time into a void by overly focusing on someone else. Take back your time, for it belongs to you, not them. Establish a balance and use your time judiciously on activities that bring you happiness, foster personal growth, and satisfy your soul. Your time is a precious resource, so don't squander it on someone who may not appreciate its value. 4. Celebrate your achievements. Epictetus teaches that we should not just seek admiration from others, but also admire ourselves. This is a reminder to celebrate our achievements. Don't get so caught up in pleasing others that you forget to recognize your successes. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. Building self-confidence through acknowledging your progress is essential for a fulfilling life. 5. Safeguard your mental health. Hurting your mental health for someone else is like burning your house down to keep them warm, harmful, and senseless. Your mental health and happiness should never be compromised for the sake of others. Reclaim control, protect your peace fiercely, and strengthen your mental toughness. Don't let anyone take away your joy. You are in charge of your own mind. Your happiness is not a commodity to be traded away. It's a non-negotiable aspect of your well-being. 6. Be true to yourself. Albert Camus' wisdom about not worrying too much about others resonates with the Stoic philosophy of being true to oneself. Saying yes to things you dislike is like putting on a suffocating mask to please others. Learn to say no and live your life authentically. Don't act to please others. Instead, be real and honest with yourself. Remember, you are the main character in your life, not a side character in someone else's narrative. 7. Don't sacrifice your path for others. Seneca wisely remarked that trying to be in too many places means you're really nowhere. Similarly, changing your life solely to match someone else's is akin to wearing shoes that are too tight. It's painful and unnecessary. Each step taken to conform to others' expectations leads you away from your own path, causing you to lose sight of your goals. Embrace your uniqueness and be proud of your own colors. Don't compromise your journey for someone else's. Walk your path confidently, for your life is meant to be an authentic reflection of your aspirations. 8. Prioritize relationships with friends and family. Plato's analogy of people being like soil that can either help you grow or impede your growth emphasizes the importance of maintaining connections with friends and family. Pushing them away for someone else's approval is a misguided choice. Reconnect with those who have always supported you. Your friends and family form the solid base of your support system. Don't risk breaking down this support network. Value those who have been instrumental in your growth. 9. Avoid obsessive devotion. Marcus Aurelius warned against being overly obsessed with someone, as it disrupts your balance and blinds you to your own worth. Like a satellite circling endlessly, fixating too much on someone else causes your dreams and uniqueness to fade away. Reclaim control. Stop being a shadow living by their rules and start shining like your own sun. Remember, your life is not a side role in someone else's story. You are the star of your own narrative. Don't let anyone dim your shine. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the realm of Stoicism, where wisdom meets relationships. Remember, embracing Stoic principles isn't about gender-specific rules, but about cultivating a mindset that transcends the challenges we face in all aspects of life. As we explored the 9 things smart men should not do with women through the lens of Stoicism, we hope you found valuable insights on how to navigate relationships with mindfulness and virtue. By applying these timeless principles, may you forge connections that are rooted in understanding, respect, and shared growth. If you enjoyed this exploration of Stoicism and relationships, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that enriches the mind and nourishes the soul. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay wise, stay stoic, and continue your journey towards a life of purpose and tranquility.